There are 11 things you do at your kitchen sink every single night that tell every roach in your building that your kitchen is open at 2 in the morning. In America, we think roaches come for crumbs on the floor. In Japan, they know roaches come for 3 things that meet in one place: food, water, and darkness. And the place where all 3 meet is not your trash can. It is your sink after you go to bed. Japan built a whole nightly system around making the sink have nothing. Nothing to eat, nothing to drink, nowhere dark to hide. It takes less than 3 minutes. Most American kitchens do the exact opposite, and they do it without realizing it is an invitation. The first one is the one you will do tonight. And the last one is the black rubber thing in your sink you have never cleaned once. Rule 1. In Japan, the kitchen gets reset before anyone sleeps. In America, the kitchen goes to bed dirty. In a Japanese house, the last person in the kitchen does a reset. Lightly wash the basin, wipe all the water drops dry, and put a fresh drain net in. The reason is simple. Roaches are nocturnal. If you leave a plate with sauce, a little puddle in the corner, a ball of rice stuck in the strainer, that is a full dinner with a glass of water. Roaches love water more than food. Japanese cleaning advisors say wiping the sink dry is prevention, especially the night reset. Wash lightly, wipe dry, change the net. In America, we rinse a plate and leave it to soak, and we leave the sink looking shiny and wet. That shiny, wet sink is a lake for them. Tonight, do 60 seconds. Wash the basin quickly, wipe the faucet and the bottom completely dry with a dry cloth, and make the sink have nothing in it. But that reset fails if the thing that catches your food is already rotten. Rule 2. In Japan, they change the drain net every day. In America, you have a reusable basket, but you never wash the basket. Japanese homes use a thin, disposable net over the drain catcher, and they swap it every night because after one day, it is soaked with oil and starch and starts to smell sweet and sour. American homes do not use that net by default. You have a stainless steel basket strainer. The product description even says its reusable design eliminates the need for disposable alternatives. You tap the food into the trash and put the slimy basket back in. That slime inside the tiny holes is oil and rice paste. It never dries. Roaches can smell that and drink the water off it. The Japanese rule still works for you, just stricter. Wash that basket like a dish every night with soap. If you want the Japanese upgrade, put a disposable net over your basket. Then you just lift it and throw it away, and you never have to touch the greasy mess. Which brings us to the thing Japanese pros have thrown away completely. Rule 3. In Japan, almost nobody uses a triangular corner basket anymore. In America, you still let food sit wet in the sink. You know the little triangle basket for food scraps. In Japan, cleaning pros say they stopped using it and nothing bad happened. The sink got wider and the slime cleaning disappeared. Why? Because that basket keeps garbage and water together for hours. Dishwater splashes into it. The food stays wet and creates slime in a few hours. In summer, that wet basket can breed small flies in half a day. Now they do this. While cooking, they open a plastic bag, put scraps directly in, squeeze the air out, tie it, and put it straight into a bin with a lid. No water ever touches the garbage. Take any basket or bowl that holds scraps in your sink out for 1 week. You will see you do not need it and the sink is easier to wipe. Even without that basket, you are still leaving them water. Rule 4. In Japan, they wipe the sink completely dry. In America, the sink stays wet. Roaches can live weeks without food, but only days without water. Every droplet around the faucet, the puddle in the corner, The wet ring under the sponge is drinking water. Japanese advisors say wiping sinks, wash basins, and bathwater drops is prevention. Keep a small towel just for the sink. After the reset, wipe the faucet base where water loves to sit. It also prevents white spots from calcium. A dry faucet means no water to drink. Because if you leave that water, the next thing you leave wet makes it 10 times worse. Rule 5. In Japan, raw garbage is never left wet. In America, more than half of you have a garbage disposal, and you think that solves it. Summer is worst. When it is above 30 degrees, bacteria can make garbage stink in 1 hour. If you put wet peels and meat juice into a bag with water, it ferments overnight, and that smell is a beacon. In Japan, the rule is do not accumulate. If you use a triangular basket, you use a net so water does not get in. You squeeze the water out hard before tying the bag. You sprinkle baking soda. Some families even freeze raw garbage until trash day. In America, more than half of households have a garbage disposal, a motorized grinder under the sink, so you push scraps in, run water, flip the switch, you think it is gone. But the disposal does not remove water. It just makes wet food into smaller wet pieces, and it creates a new problem. The black rubber splash guard on top of your disposal is a wall of little flaps. Food paste gets stuck between those flaps. That rubber stays dark, wet, and full of food. It is the #1 smell source in an American kitchen with a disposal. So do both Japanese steps. Squeeze your garbage dry before you bag it or before you push it into the disposal. Tie it in a thick bread bag, not a thin produce bag. It keeps the smell in better. Now look at what is sitting in your sink that is always wet. Rule 6. In Japan, they never pour oil down the drain. In America, most people wash oily pans straight into the sink. You finish frying, the oil looks liquid. You think hot water will wash it away. It does not. When oil cools deep in the pipe, it hardens on the wall. Flour and starch mix with it, and it becomes sludge that traps more food and starts to smell. That sludge becomes food for roaches living in the pipe gap. Japanese home pros do subtraction before washing. They wipe the oily pan with kitchen paper or an old flyer before it ever touches the sink. That one wipe removes most of the grease. Then they wash with dish soap and lukewarm water. Do that tonight. Wipe first, then wash. Rule 7. In Japan, the sponge does not live in the sink. In America, it sits in its own puddle. A wet sponge that never dries is a bacteria hotel and a water source. In Japan, they wring the sponge completely dry and put it on a rack where air flows, not in the basin. They also do not use the same sponge for dishes and for the drain. If your sponge sits in the sink, get it out. Squeeze it hard, put it on a holder that drains, and replace it every 2 to 3 weeks. If you clean your drain, use the old drain net as a scrubber and then throw it away, so you do not need a second sponge. Even with a dry sponge, the parts under the net are still dirty. Rule 8. In Japan, they take the drain parts out and soak them once a month. In America, no one touches them or the disposal baffle until it smells. The drain catcher, the odor-blocking cup, and for you, the rubber baffle, all get a slimy film. Professional cleaners say thorough cleaning of the catcher is the key to preventing odor. Once a month, they soak everything in lukewarm water with neutral detergent for 20 minutes and scrub small holes with a toothbrush or cotton swab. For a standard drain, take everything out once a month. For a disposal, lift those black rubber flaps and scrub underneath. You will see black slime. That slime is what you smell when you walk into the kitchen. 5 minutes with dish soap and an old toothbrush fixes it. Do not mix bleach with acidic cleaners. This next rule is the one that ruins pipes while you think you are cleaning them. Rule 9. In Japan, they never pour boiling water down the kitchen drain. In America, you pour boiling water down every time you drain pasta. You are not trying to kill germs. You just cooked spaghetti and you pour the pot straight into the sink. That makes sense for dinner, but not for plumbing. Your kitchen drain and pipes are PVC and rubber. Repeated boiling water warps them. And the oil you wanted to melt does not disappear. It melts for a second, flows deeper where it is colder, and hardens again where you cannot reach. Manufacturers warn not to do it. What works is water around 40 to 50 degrees with dish soap. That loosens oil without hurting the pipe, and soap breaks oil into tiny drops. So next time you drain pasta, let the water cool for a minute or run cold water at the same time so it mixes down to a safe temperature. You still get rid of the water without cooking your own pipes. While you fix the top, the bottom is still a perfect roach hotel. Rule 10. In Japan, they keep under the sink dry, bright, and sealed. In America, under the sink is dark, damp, and open. Roaches love dark, warm, damp, narrow spaces. They like to have their back touching something. Under the sink has all four. It is warm from the dishwasher, damp from a tiny leak, dark, and there are narrow gaps around the pipe where it goes through the floor. A gap of a few millimeters is enough for a roach to get in. Roach experts say wet places like under sinks and the gaps around drain pipes are where they settle. In Japan, they check under the sink often, wipe any water, do not store too many things so air can flow, and seal the gap around the pipe with putty. Tonight, open under your sink. Is it damp? Is there a bag of bottles leaking? Is there cardboard? Cardboard holds moisture and roaches lay eggs in it. Dry it, throw out what you do not need, and seal that pipe gap. And that leads to the last rule, the one that hides everything we just talked about. Rule 11. In Japan, pros tell you to remove the drain cover to make dirt visible. In America, you do not have that cover, but you have something that does the exact same hiding job. Japanese kitchens have a big drain with a plastic lid with slits. People cover it to make it look clean. Pros say do not put a garbage bin in the sink and remove that lid. When you can see the garbage the second it accumulates, you clean it. You also eliminate one more thing to wash. American sinks do not have that lid. They are open. But if you have a disposal, you have a black rubber baffle that hides the dirtiest part. Because it is dark and you never lift it, you never see the mold underneath. Same psychology. Covering equals not cleaning. So leave the drain open and visible. For a normal sink, do not put a decorative mat over it. Leave it open with a clean basket so you are forced to see when it is dirty. For a disposal, once a week, lift those flaps with a flashlight and look. None of these 11 rules are about buying stronger poison. Japan did not find a better way to kill roaches. They found a way to make the kitchen not need poison. If you want to know where to start tonight, ask 3 questions. Is there food in my sink right now a roach could eat? Is there water a roach could drink? Is there a dark, damp, narrow place under my sink where it could hide? Start with 3 minutes. Wash lightly, wipe completely dry, new net or clean basket, squeeze garbage dry and tie it, dry the sponge on a rack, open under the sink, and look. Do it tonight, and tomorrow morning your kitchen will smell like nothing. And nothing is exactly what keeps roaches away.